Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, April the 4th, 2024. It's also today NATO's 75th anniversary. Yes. We have here in today's newspaper 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. The 3 stars Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. Let me zoom this in. Yes. All right. The 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 8300. 8300. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, that's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this column, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 and 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and then 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. Should be the 2. We have 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place left at 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, nope, we have a 2 here. Again, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5, it goes there, alright. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We have a 9 in 1 of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah, 2 and the 7. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row. 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and now 8 in this row, 8 in the Row below, so last row, the only place level 8 should be there. 5, 5, okay, need a 4 here. 4, 1, 2. Alright. Okay, and now 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. And I need a 2 here, and I need a 9 here. Well, need a 9 here. Alright, I need a 5 here. 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5. Let me think. 4, 4. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. 5. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the first column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left at 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left at 8 should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and 8 in this row. Third row, the 1 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next down. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 1 and 2. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, now let me think. 9, 4, 7, 8. Need a 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 3. We have 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left is 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this row, I believe the 5. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Alright, so 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in this row, no 7 there. So in the last row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left on the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 11 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Well, well, well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 and 13 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.